What happens when you type any command by mistake? When you are configuring a switch, for example, you get an error message that takes a long time to go. For example, enable conft. If you type any command here, it's just fine. It doesn't. But if you go out of this zone and type this command, you get a problem here. What is it? By the way, yani, what's happening? The switch is trying to find some kind of server with this name. They think the wrong command you entered is a server name, and they are trying to search for it. It takes long time. In Packet Tracer, how we get rid of this quickly? Ctrl-Shift-6. And if you look here, there is something called name lookup. Name lookup, they are trying to find what this name, is it a server name? Name lookup. So whenever you type something wrong, you need to get rid of it using Ctrl-Shift-6, but this is not a solution. You want to disable this name lookup. Yeah, and if you type a command later and the command is wrong, خلاص, you want the switch to say it's wrong command. So how to disable this domain name lookup? Let me show you how to do it. You go to conft no IP domain lookup. Now this command, when I press enter, if you go back here and you type the same command, you don't get that error. What they tell you now, unknown command or computer name. But why they are not trying to reach some kind of a domain server and because we disabled that. We told them do not look for that. The command was no IP domain lookup. If you decide later for whatever reason you want it back, IP domain lookup. Yani without no IP domain lookup. Now خلاص, it's active now. If you type some wrong command, they try to search for that device. So the command to disable this is now Ctrl-Shift-6, okay? Conft no IP domain lookup. Okay, does that make sense? So we know now how to disable the name lookup in case now if you type wrong command, you don't get that error message as you see here, or that long wait.